If you observe the Bodmas, in Bodmas, as per the name, Kiran and Sharan, as per the name, we have brackets of multiplication. This is what B means, brackets. O means of, okay.
Yes.
D means division. M means multiplication. A means addition. And finally, S means
Subtraction.
so. Kiran and Sharan, now you have to do the sum. This sum, whatever it is, you can see all the 4 operations, or they can give only 2 operations or 3 operations. That is, if you don't have brackets, this the next whatever it is there, that letter should go letter by letter. Okay. Suppose brackets are there, means first you need to solve the brackets part.
Sir, I don't know how to do Bodmas.
I'll explain. I'm explaining that only, Kiran and Sharan. So these are this is a
I
name.
don't. What are the brackets also?
Yes. I am telling that. So brackets part is B is a first letter, no?
Yes, sir.
You need to solve the brackets first. Whatever brackets there inside in the question, that part should be solved first. Inside that brackets also, you have to do the order in this way. If off is
Sir,
there anywhere,
sir, order?
order should be in this order. You have to follow the simplification. Simplification
Sir,
should be done
which
based on
order?
the sum.
Sir, which
Bottom,
order?
Bodmas. Both of you, so Kiran and Jam, both of you are in my screen now.
Yes, sir. What?
Both of you are seeing the screen now.
Yes, sir.
I wrote Bodmas full letters. Can you see it?
Yes, sir. B for brackets.
O of D division, M multiplication, A addition, S subtraction.
Subtraction.
Yes. So if you after finishing the brackets, then if of OF means you have to just change that OF to multiplication symbol. In anyways, in these 2 questions, OF is not given. Okay. Now
Sir.
division. After of, you need to go for division.
Yes, sir.
Then multiplication. Then if there is no multiplication, then addition, or multiplication finished, then addition, then subtraction.
Okay, sir.
I'll do that first sum now. You can check. Okay.
Sir, I don't know how to do it, the sums.
No. I will do it. I'll complete. Okay.
Sir.
I'll complete and explain the 10th and 11th one fully, clearly. As
Okay.
per this order, you have to remember this word Bodmas. You have to go. You have to do the simplification as per this order.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kiran and Jaran, you can see I am doing the first one, 10th one, as per this order. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 10th one.
24 is this one.
Yes, sir.
24 minus. You have here one big bracket. This bracket started here, and the entire question was there inside. Entire question is there inside. So there is one more flower bracket inside, and there is one more bracket also.
16 minus
15 minus 2, and then division is a 12. Then flower bracket close, and finally we have
plus 5.
plus 5, and finally
Another bracket.
the starting bracket which we opened here, that is ended here with the last.
Yes, sir.
That is a rectangular bracket we call this.
Okay, rectangular. Okay, sir.
Or square bracket, square bracket, square bracket or square bracket. Okay. Now here
Always,
you can.
sir, always that only comes.
No. Here why they will use different brackets is this is flower bracket, the second one.
Flower.
Okay. And this is third bracket. Third bracket. All means same only, but the reason why they will use different is here they started here to end it here. Means complete thing is there inside this. Okay. And in between they use different brackets to show the parts. Means till they opened a square flower bracket till here. It is closed, and the plus 5 entire sum is there in this rectangular bracket.
Yes, sir. The rectangular bracket, flower bracket, curve.
Curved bracket.
That's
Okay.
it.
Yes. So here actually Kiran and Charan in the textbook ones, this much typical one is not there. They are easy. These many ones are. Okay. That's why I'm explaining you these two so that you can do those ones as well. Is that okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Kiran and Charan. So now you can see first, as per the Bodmas name, brackets must be solved first. So here brackets started at this point and it ended here. No?
Yes, sir.
In between we have few more brackets. So inside the brackets again we need to give preference for that brackets, because if you finish the sum till here, then only you can add that plus 5.
Yes, sir.
So because of that reason, you have to finish the one which I just marked till here first. In that
Yes.
again you have two brackets. Inside that again you have two brackets. These two brackets, if you finish it, then only you can do this division with 12.
Yes, sir.
So because of that reason, first we should finish those two brackets.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Okay,
So,
sir.
so first step, how I am doing it, once notice it 24 minus,
24 minus
then a rectangular bracket open and flower bracket.
24
Now,
came.
24 is there in the question only.
Okay.
Starting. That we cannot do anything. We have to repeat writing same. Now we cannot do anything. After simplifying this complete thing, no, final subtraction, that entire result answer you have to do subtraction from 20.
Okay, once you do it. then-
Yes, Kiran and Charan. Now here inside the bracket, now we have two brackets. Now finish it. Both of them 16 minus 4 is how much?
So 16 minus 4 is 10, sir.
16 minus 4.
So 12.
12. Who said that?
So Charan.
Yes, Charan. 16 minus 4 is 12. 15 minus 2, Kiran.
Sir, why did you did curve bracket?
Because the reason is we are solving the brackets first. In first,
If,
we are giving the first preference to brackets.
if we get the answer, we have to like curve it.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
If
So
we get the
15,
answer,
so 15 minus 2 is 13.
yes, Kiran and Charan. 15
Open
minus
bracket, close bracket, curve. Curve, open bracket.
curve open bracket.
13, close bracket, curve.
Yes, right. Then division with the
So what we have to divide now?
division with 12 is already there in the question. We have to write it as it is. Okay.
So sir, after this,
Then
as
we'll write the numbers as it is until every part we will separately solve it. No?
sir, you're telling the steps, right?
Yes, Kiran.
First we have to add like this, like Bodmas.
Yes, we need to follow that rule.
Yes, sir.
Means we are solving. First, I solved the two brackets. Charan and Kiran.
Yes, sir.
Just a second.
Sir, you are
So now here, if we see 12 into 13, I got because I solved these two brackets.
yes, sir.
So now 16 minus 4 is 12, 15 minus 13 into division with 12 is already there in the question. I am closing this flower bracket here and plus 5 is there already in the question. I am ending with the bigger bracket.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now, what I will do is,
Second step.
yes, so 24 minus inside, now we can see brackets part should be solved first. Bracket should be opened. Okay.
Open. Okay, sir.
So to
So
open these brackets,
rectangular.
yes, sir, is Haro and yes, Kiran and Charan.
Sir, open means you have to do rectangular.
No, not rectangular. Means step by step here. These first the 16 minus 4 is 12
Yes, sir.
and 15 minus 2 is 13.
Yes, sir.
Now if you see, actually I can remove the brackets there itself because 16 minus 4 I simplified it, no?
16
So
minus
16
you.
minus 4 is 12, no?
Yes, sir.
Well, we did that subtraction anyways. I can write 12 directly. I can remove the brackets. 15 minus 2 is 30. Division with the 12.
Division of 12.
12. And
The
then
bracket
brackets close. Plus 5 is there. Again brackets close.
closed.
Now,
Now,
here you can see
sir,
this flower bracket now.
sir, in next bit you have to do division.
Yes, Kiran answer. So now 13 divided by 12. We cannot do 13 divided by 12, no? So can I write like this? 13 divided by 12 fractions we know, no?
So we
Yes
can
or no?
write. So we can write.
Yes. 13 divided by 12 is nothing but 13 by 12 only, no?
Okay.
Fraction is numerator divided by denominator.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. So that's why I can write like this because 13 will not go with 12. I wrote it as fraction. Okay.
Sir, so once can you explain?
13. Actually, I should do division first, Kiran. Actually.
Yes, sir.
Because here we have multiplication and division. Should do division first as per that order.
If it not come multiplication, we can do division.
No, it's not like that. So here in Bodmas order, now after we finished this bracket and this bracket, we got 12 and 13. No?
Yes, sir.
And next followed with 12 division is there. No?
Yes, sir.
So the 12 division, we need to do now 12 into 13 by 12. Because the reason is 13, these two numbers have division sign between.
Now after this, what we have to do? After this step.
You have understood why I wrote 13 by 12?
So what?
Both of you understood why I wrote 13 by 12?
So because because there is multiplication.
Yes, here division is there, so I have to first finish the division.
That's why, sir.
Yes, 13, but 13, if suppose instead of 13 here, some other number which is divisible with 12 is there, so it will get some number.
Sir, how did you saw that 13 is divisible, not divisible by the 12?
Because 12 1 is 12, 12 is 24. No? 13 will not come.
Oh, in 12 table we have to see.
Yes, because division is after division symbol we have to win.
But if it's not divisible, we have to write like this.
Fraction. Yes. Then what is the advantage? Actually, this is
Sir,
more than 60 level, but in your school they'll give like this only. So now what is the advantage of the writing? 13 will not go with 12. But anyways, this operation as per the division we finish it. Now next anyways we need to do multiplication. No? These
yeah,
two. Yes, sir.
yes. Sir,
So
2 into 13.
12 into 13.
12 into 13.
But in this class, in 6th class, you will learn one thing that in fractions chapter, this is 12 has no denominator means by 1. No?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, no? So this 12 and this 12 you can cut it. Numerator and denominator you can cancel. If same number is there, 12 ones are 12. Like
Sir, now it's not there, right?
no, in fractions chapter it will come.
Okay.
Okay.
You
So, but
teach.
in your school, anyways, they'll give something extra, no? So that's why this question should not be given, but they gave it. So that's
So you
okay.
have to do this.
Yes, Kiran, that's right. This 12 and 12 will get. Right.
Sir, in the textbook there is different.
So in textbook also we have one question like this, only one question. Okay.
Right.
Remaining all were easy. Remaining all are easy. Here nothing is it. You can remember one thing: numerator and denominator. If you have same number in multiplication between the fractions, you can cut it.
Okay,
If
sir.
cancelling them means 12 table. You are actually dividing over. Suppose if this is confusing for you, what you have to do is Kiran, in multiplication of fractions, you need to multiply the numerators and denominators. So
Sir,
you
simplification
have
is
to yes. Multiplication 12 numerator should multiply, denominator should multiply. So 12 into 13 you have to do 156 you will get. Then 156 by 12, finally you will get the same answer 13.
plain in textbook also once.
Uh,
Will you explain in textbook also once?
So Kiran and Charan, once you can try that, you will get it. If you're not getting it.
Okay.
Okay. So here, what is the thing we are doing? This division, because 13 is not divisible by 12. I wrote 13 by 12, which means 13 divided by 12.
Okay, sir.
Now, anyways, next operation we need to do is multiplication. So when we are doing the multiplication, your denominator is 12, then numerator is 12. So we can cut it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So the same number is there, we can cut it. How many times means you are dividing it directly. 12 ones are 12, 2 ones are 12 like that. Now leftover numbers we are multiplying it. 24 minus bracket, flower bracket.
Flower bracket.
Here what are left, those will multiply. 1 by 1 means 1 only into
1.
13 by 1 means 13.
That
Okay.
5.
So now have I got 1 into finally this now in the next step this flower bracket also will go.
Why, sir?
1 into 13 we are finishing the simplification. No? Finally 1 into 13 is how much?
Sir, 1 into 13 is equal to 13.
So we have to remove the flower brackets. Now,
13 into 5.
Is 13 finally what is left? Plus 5.
5.
So slowly inside the bracket of simplifying you have to remove them. Now
Sir,
finally you have to remove that even flower this rectangular brackets also or square brackets. Rectangle. Why? Because 13 plus 5. Finally, how much 13 plus 5?
18.
So you have to remove now the rectangular brackets also.
And I have to write 18.
Yes. Final operation now. The starting 24 is given no, in the question. That minus whatever this entire bracket answer is 18. So 24 minus 18 you have to do. 24 minus 18 is how much?
So down only you have to do?
No.
Sir, down only you have to do or beside?
No. Actually, place is not there. I'm writing beside. You can do it in the next step.
Okay, sir.
Yes, so 24 minus 18. Final operation. The sum will finish.
Okay, sir.
How much is 24 minus 18?
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes, pyramid.
Sir, 6.
So final answer is 6. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So now Kiran and both of you wrote the steps.
Sir, sir, I didn't write it.
Okay, Kiran and Charan, once I'm giving you time little quickly, you can do it. Write it down.
So once can you share it?
Who asked the doubt just now, Kiran and Charan, the doubt?
Kiran.
Yes, Kiran. So nice doubt, Kiran. Anyways, I thought of explaining that pointer. So here what the thing is, Kiran and Charan, if you have, suppose let us take 8 is there. Okay. 8 into 13 by 12 is there, suppose. In that case, you have to take this 8 has no denominator means by 1, no?
By 1, yes, sir.
In this place, suppose you have situation like this. Now, you have same thing. You have to check the table in which this numerator and 12 will go. Both
Sir,
8 and 12, 8 and 12 will come in which tables? 4 table you will get 2 table. 2 table means you have to do 2 table also you can take and 4 table also you can take. 4 table means simplification will go.
sir, it will be easy.
Yes, quickly it will finish. 4 3s are 4 2s are. Suppose if suppose you got the idea both of them will go with 2 table, then you can cut it with 2 table also. 2 6s are 2 4s are 8.
Yes.
Then again 4 and 6 you have to cut it one more time. 2 3s are 2 2s are like that.
So why like that?
Because this is a process of division of fractions. Anyways, we will division and multiplication of fractions. We will actually learn this in the fractions chapter.
So
Okay.
why did cut it 6 and wrote 3?
Because 6 before when we cut for the first time we got 6 and 4, no?
Yes, sir.
2 table. So now we have to 6 and 4 again still we'll go with 2 table. So 2 3 is a
2 4 is a 6.
2 3 is
Like,
a 6, 2 is a 4.
okay.
Now we cannot cut further because here this 13 also will not go with 3 table and 2 also will not go with 3 table. Or 2 will 3 will not go with 2 table.
That's
So we
right.
have to stop. Yes, sir. But for you,
Suppose
100% they 100% they'll give you a situation where this number and this number will 100% match, because they will not give you a situation where fraction will come. Like in this example which I took, we got a fraction finally. If I cut with 4 2s or 4 3s also, finally I'll get 2 and 3 only. Okay. Before 2 table when we did it also, finally it will end with 2 and 3 only. Okay.
okay.
But 2 table means you have to do 2 times cancellation. 4 table means 1 time cancellation. So here in this case, what will happening? Leftover numerators and denominators we need to multiply. 2 into 13, how much? 26. By 1 into 3, 3. You will get a
3.
situation where final answer is a fraction. But we didn't get a situation here where final answer is a fraction. We got 1 into 13 by 1 into 1 means 13 by 1, 13 only.
So they'll only ask match then.
Yes, sir. For you, if suppose this type of model actually should not be given for 6th class, if they give also 100%, they'll give you a number in such a way that the denominator will not be there. If denominator is there, means you will get a fraction like this.
Okay.
Then what you have to do? Fraction plus 5 you have to do. Fraction plus 5, fraction addition it will become. Fraction addition is fractions term. So now only they'll not give this. Okay.
So in textbook,
Textbook we have one question like this. There also this number and this number will get cut.
no sir, in textbook there is no fractions.
We have fractions chapter in 6th class. After finishing that, then they make it. Then they can give this type of.
About Bodmas rules in knowing numbers.
Bodmas ruling.
Sir, they'll only ask like this, sir. What you
Yes,
do?
sir. They'll give only. They'll seize that and they'll give the question in such a way that finally here there will not be any fraction for now. Okay. Once fractions chapter is finished.
Right.
Once fractions chapter is finished, for term exam like that, for final exam like that, they can give any situation. But as of now in 6th class, they will not give more than this level. Okay. In 7th class, you will have Bodmas sums with
Then in the text, now shall I do fraction?
No need of doing fractions, Kiran and Charan. You can do only these sums. They will not give you a situation in a sum where you will get a fraction.
So
Okay.
you'll explain that.
No. You will not get fraction sums here. For now, you will 100% get a situation where everything will get cut and you will not get any fraction here. Okay.
So without doing fractions, how to do?
That is what Kiran and Charan. They will not give it now for you. You will have Bodmas sums with fractions in 7th class. Okay. Not now.
You will explain me.
Not now, Kiran, in 7th class. Fractions
Under
sums Bodmas, you will get it in 7th class.
I understood.
Yes, Kiran and Charan. So now, if they give you a situation like this, they'll see that this in the denominator, nothing will be left after cancellation. Okay.
Okay. So without doing fractions,
Without doing fractions,
can we do this Bodmas?
yes, sir. Bodmas is not is applicable for any simplification sum, with fractions
So
or without fractions.
can you explain that thing without fractions?
This is without fractions only. No, this is the step only where we got a fraction. Actually, here how you can do it? No, 12 into 13 you can multiply. You'll get 156. 156 by 12 if you do, you'll get finally 13 only. Means 156 divided by 12 if you do separately also, you'll get 13 only as answer. Okay.
Sir, once it
Instead of multiplication, there time waste. So that's why I have asked you to cut it there. 12 and 12. You can say
sir,
that.
once can you explain one?
Which
Without
one? Which one?
which you explained.
Without that?
So first we have to do 12 into 13, right?
Yes, because we already finished the division operation 13 by 12. I did
Sir,
division in the first. So 13 by 12 I wrote. Then to simplify these two, we have to multiply the numerators and denominators as per the multiplication of fractions.
I'm not.
Okay.
How you finished 13 by 12?
Because 13 by 2, I just wrote it division as per the Bodmas. We need to first go with the numbers where division symbol is there. No?
Sir, once can you
So,
explain?
13 division with 12, Kiran and Charan. I wrote it as 13 by 12.
13
Okay.
by. So that's
13
a
by 12. Yes, fraction because of that only it came. Otherwise, here, if suppose there is a number which is exactly
Okay.
divisible by 12 means we will not get a fraction.
What if fraction is not there?
Fraction is not there, sum will become easy. That is what I am telling. No, they gave unnecessarily a bigger, they should not give it here. This sixth class, they gave it. But
So if I do fraction in the exam, they'll cut marks.
they will not cut the marks here. Okay, this is completely correct. Okay,
So shall I do fractions only then?
this is Kiran and Charan, here only in one step we just got a fraction. Okay, but they
Yes, sir.
didn't go much. They didn't go much ahead of this. They just gave a number in such a way that this denominator and this denominator got cut
Yes,
completely.
asking something though.
Yes, sir. One more sum if you do, you'll understand it, Kiran and Kiran. This 12 and 12 got cut. So because of that, what happened is, so what is the because of that what happened is you finally you don't have any fraction here. Okay. Is there any
Yeah,
fraction? Is there any
yes, sir.
fraction?
So 1 minute, 7 is asking. Sir,
Yes,
there
Kiran
in
and
page number 17, 1.5 exercise, sir, they gave the sums, like they gave examples over here.
yes, Kiran and Kiran.
Sir, I saw the example and I learned the sums how to do without fractions.
This type of sum.
Sir, like example, without fraction, they'll give some questions, right, sir?
Yes, Kiran and Kiran.
Sir, I learned them.
Yes, Kiran and Kiran.
Sir, same as this
Actually,
fractions.
once you will send the
Sir, can you explain without fraction?
here without fraction is not possible, Kiran and Kiran. Anyway, you will get a fraction because 12 into 13, if you do also, you will get 156. 156 by 12, you have to write it in this.
Sir,
156 by
in the test,
150.
they didn't do the fraction. In the textbook, they didn't do the fraction.
Once send the picture, Kiran and Kiran.
Yes, sir.
And send the picture. I am telling that only one question in all the bits in the exercise, we have a question like this. Remaining all are direct. You will not get a situation like this. That is what I am telling. No, from that time. In
You have,
examples also, if they might have given one question, we'll check it. Is it that one or not?
so you have 1.5 exercise, right? Once
Actually, so many days back, it has RO center. Once now again we have to search Kiran. Once you send it, I'll wait. Charan, who after the doubt, Charan or Kiran?
sir, both of them.
Yes, Kiran and Charan. So which one where fraction is not there in the textbook you are telling? Which question?
This only explanation.
This one only.
Yes, sir. Sir, don't have the fraction.
This only, no?
Yes, sir.
So here you didn't get a fraction situation because what is 16 by 2 here? 16 division with 2 is how much? Directly you will do it in rough space and 16 got exactly divisible by 2. So you wrote, that person wrote 8 here.
Oh, sir, if we don't get the division only, we'll do it.
Yes, Kiran and Charan. To continue that sum there, I wrote it like that.
So school will always give the correct division.
Means here the okay, I stopped the previous. I take the screenshot of that answer? I forgot, I think. So in the previous sum, what we got, what is the situation is Kiran and Charan, there after simplifying this here, we got 13 divided by 12. Yes, no? This 13 is not going to 12 like in the textbook example here. We got an example situation where 16 is divisible by 2.
Yes,
Means
sir.
you compare this with this and you ask for the doubt, I think. We got a similar situation why I wrote it like a fraction, whereas here they did directly or no?
So they always like simplify and like
Yes, in examples, Kiran and Charan, in examples, answers will be written direct steps. Sometimes you will not understand, sometimes they'll give because in detail, sometimes they will not write it. And apart
Sir,
from that, apart from
can you explain this explanation? which is given in the picture from the first.
Is Kiran and Charan? Who is asking, Charan or Kiran?
Kiran, sir.
Okay, Kiran. So now here, what is the thing is, this
So
16 by 2,
first
I'm explaining that one, but I'm just finishing this. 16, if you want, you can write it as 16 by 2 also, and then you can cut this as 8 times.
so they don't cut the marks
For what?
for doing this.
No, this if you do, they will cut the marks you're telling. Huh?
Yes, sir.
No,
We
they
should
will not
not.
cut. They
Okay.
will not cut the marks.
So then I'll do the before fractions. How did it?
Yes, you can write this as actually, if suppose I would have got a same situation there, 12 divided by 12, I would not have written it as 12 by 12 because still fractions is not there, no, for us. We didn't learn fractions after division, no. I would not have written it like this. I would have written directly 1. 12 divided by 12, I will do long division and I'll write it as 1. Understood? Like this, up the road, I would have written. Understood? Kiran and Charan? Because we didn't get a number which is not 13 is not divisible by 12, I have to write it like that. Then only I can multiply the next one. I can
Sir,
continue the sum.
once
In
do
return.
6. Sir, once do 16 divided by 2 by fractions, like simplification.
Yes, I'm doing this sum. See, I'm doing the same sum entirely now.
Bad at simplification.
Huh?
Sir, I will be confusing for the simplification.
Yes, sir. Here some picture is in the picture. The starting part of the question is this here.
Then divide.
So
Sir, we can simplify with 2, right?
which one?
16 and 2.
16 and 2. Yes, here 3 into 16 division with 2 is there, no? So 3 into first we need to finish the division as per Bodmas order. 16 by 2 to 1 is the 2.
So why did you do? Okay, sir. So 3 into, yes. So you did with 2 only,
3
right?
by 1. Yes, sir. I understood your doubting. Before question, I cancelled this.
Then you can do.
I cancelled this. Here 13 is not going with 12. That's why we didn't do. But yes, 16 will go with 2 no.
Yes, sir. Then what will
Yes,
say
sir.
what, right?
So we got 16 divided by 2 as 8. So 3 into 8.
8 only.
Yes, sir. 16 divided by 2 is how much? 8, no?
So once we'll do the another thing, then we'll understand.
So shall I explain this question fully? One
Yes.
start, one starting what it is there here, one tell. It is missed in the picture. This one.
Sir, sir, you told you'll explain the 11th one.
I'll explain that also, but you want me to explain this, no?
Sir, no one. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Explain this.
Here starting what it is there? My question.
Sir, nothing.
Nothing. No, no, something will be there. In the picture, it is missed. One step.
Sir,
Is it
nothing.
25 minus 2?
Sir, I don't know what to do.
You have textbook with you, Kiran.
Yes, sir.
Like this, it is there. One step.
Nothing.
Is it the same question?
Sir, it's there in the textbook.
Yes, Kiran.
Sir, 25 minus. Is there, right?
Because here 23 they wrote no, so I thought it is 25 minus 2. That's actually in the picture which you sent. The question is the picture got cut, so that's why I'm asking the question starting part. Is it not the question?
Sir, shall I tell the question?
Yes, Kiran.
Sir, sure. 23. So 23 plus rectangular curve 5 minus 2 curve.
Okay, I wrote the question wrong.
Sir, I'll send you. Sir, it's there only.
You can tell it.
Sir, it's the see. Sir, I'll send you again.